Wetin you never see, you never waka reach there. Wetin you never see. Some kind of way you go see like this, my people, you go shock talies. You go shock, you say, things they happen, oh, my people. This topic when I want to talk today, now for many of our girls where they don't marry, we be say their husband go they lead them to bad thing. They not go know say he not love them. Una no know say sometimes I don't always they talk am. Sometimes you go marry to your own enemy, you don't go know. You just follow your enemy dey house. You not go even know say na your enemy you dey with. You know, una be some women maybe like say they know. You just follow your enemy dey his house. You dey call am your husband, not the name of I marry. You go dey his house, you dey die in silence. Some men just dey, they can't destroy your life. They not come repair. That is some men. They not come repair, they just come destroy your life. But you not go know. You just marry to your own enemy, the worst enemy. You don't go even know. Now I put to this our sister. My people, if you want to listen to this topic, from the starting to the ending, I bet listen. If you're there busy, they do something, put ear for ear. Or put up for speaker, maybe just if you did there, they listen, you so if they do it, you they do. Because this story, one of two person go learn. And some girls see they do one up till now. They not go no say the guy he don't love them. Because why I want to talk this topic be say me our people may we learn. Especially women with the husband, as with their husband, they allow them. They see go the hustle. Moon and learn from this one. No, just know say that man not love you because I never see man will go love person. You go allow another. You go allow you they carry your bekus. Go they give another man. Make it they do it, they do it, vandalize them for them. I never see them, my people. Mona sit down, Mona listen to this topic when I want to talk about today. So, I get one of our sister. She say, when she did also that time, she get one Oyibo with the help her that time. So when he can also finish after I just settle he auntie, now he can meet this your husband. That time she not to do this work again. So as he meet your husband, they can't just marry. They can't do this Okomu marriage. Tablo they call them Okomu marriage. Why English go say court marriage? They can't do them. So as they do them, the in with your husband, but the man never go pay bride price for Nigeria. Oh, he never go pay bride price. So he say he can born pikin for this man. So as she born pikin for this man, the man not they work, things can't rob them. The guy not they, you say he not see work. So he can't tell the guys here, may you go the hustle now. May they bring money small. Now the guy can say, but he already married you. You know, she not go go they do hustle again. The guy can't tell and say, no mean anything now. After all, I never pay your bride price. Now, they say they don't lie and what. But after all, I never pay your bride price, so you can do anything. I go help you. They look picking. They should go the hustle. And the guy can say, okay. The guy can't really go. He can't go the do one. So along the line, when they do the hustle, you come meet that Oyibo if they help him that time. I can't tell the man, say, I see that Oyibo with the help me that time. He say they ask me out again. The guy can't tell the guy, say, what do you can't tell now? I say my I ask you first. He say, I don't mean anything now. Now that why you see the fear to talk. Now they bend your mouth. I bet come me carry the Oyibo come house. This man content and say, but I will content and say you beat to me. I tell I say I be your brother. Tell I say I be your brother. I don't mean anything. Now the guy can say really. He said, tell I say I be your brother. Why you they fear? Now that why you see the fearful. I bet tell I say I be your brother. Now the guy can say, okay, oh. Now because make it bring a come house, me, don't worry. And the girl can't tell the boss, I don't want picking, but the man leave me. The book can say no problem, saying go take care of and take care of the picking. So the book can come house, can see them. Can tell and say, who be this guy? Can say like a brother. So the book can say, brother, I can't greet him. Now I can't tell the guy, say, you know they work. He can say no for now. You know they do anything. Now I can say, okay, I'm go help you for work. You get one of your friends, they look for people. So I'm go take you go there. So now I can't take the boy go the working place. So the guy can't go there. So the guy can't see the work. So the guy can't work for there. After many months now, he said nothing work again. he hand though, he body dey pain am o. Since when they start the work, he waist don't finish. You know if he work again, and the girl can say okay. You know, he don't even tell the Oyibo self. So that the man I can call the Oyibo, tell the Oyibo say, this guy where you bring, you not work again though. Now the Oyibo can call the sister say, your brother not can work again. He say go. He say he tell am say and the pain now. You know if he work now, the man can say but at least if I say tell am, you know, he go say okay if he see another one, he go let her know. So they can finish that one. You know, as a lazy boy, and I don't want to work because they get the bring money. They both they read, they help the girl, they give the girl big money. They give the guy the money. You get one time they both even still give her 18,000 euros safe. Because he give the guy. He said that the boy even make cafe, even build us everything. So they collect big money for the Oyibo and with the boy. So even the boy go able to tell us, see what you tell the Oyibo. See what you tell the Oyibo. We go take give you money. They get conscious, they give Oyibo bekus anyhow. Oyibo they do as well and they vandalize them for him. The guy, he go still come meet the guy. So again one day, the book content the girl say, I would like say for the top of video, maybe they show me your bekus. I want to see your bekus. At least you they show can that they see everything. Your 2 oranges for up. I want to see everything. Then the girl come tell the guy, say, see what you do, Oyibo they ask now. You know if you do this kind of thing, you know. He said, Duam, you they fear because of me. Duam, you don't mean anything. What it day just to show your bekus for video. You know me now, they look picky, don't worry. So every night, the Oyibo go call the girl go they show bekus, they show everything for the Oyibo, they do around the Oyibo go tell and say, she can do this, do that, she go they do one with the Oyibo. So she can't do everything. Because why I they talk, it's not see this Okoro way happen so you can't it's straighten many marriage. You can't see open many people to know the kind of man where you deal with for house. You can't open many women to come know say now my enemy I even deal with ever since I know even know. You open many people So they say this Okoro way can't happen. The man can't tell and say since this thing don't happen, you know go. Maybe you know can't see like that now. So I will give you this money. Maybe they manage small. But with the talk for phone, can't give her 2K. That's 2,000 euros. Can't give the girl. The girl can't give the guy. Say maybe they give her small so that maybe they eat. One day I can ask Oga say, Oga, I bet the money when Oyibo bring. I bet give me for inside. More to go do shopping for us. Now brother begin the ton. They waka. They use on the scratch it. When money, Oga say money don't finish. How you tell use money? Oga say why you go they ask me like that now? Why I not go ask you? When money, I need them. Pikin not get this one, I want go buy. Boy say not get money, in case make you go ask Oyibo. Oyibo will give am more. Now they get say anything go ask Oyibo. You know they shame, you know go feel work, they kill your hand. You know be mad like the Oyibo. Every time go ask Oyibo, go ask Oyibo. You know go work. If Oyibo not come there, he say, now so you want to talk. I say, you go ask Oyibo. I don't get any money when they give you. Then the guy say, I know they ask any Oyibo. Your own do too much. And the guy say, then the guy say, then the guy say, you be my husband. Say, which husband? You know the shame. See, they call me your husband. They man. Which husband you be? Which husband I be to you? So you believe say me for marriage, you after you make us where you both up vandalize finish. Where you don't carry go also do everything. Then me, I will come marry you. Like seriously? Like are you kidding me right now? I'll marry you with body where you don't finish, where you both don't finish. I will come marry you. And the guy say, not be you tell me say man I go the do and say no mean. He said so if I tell you say me you really go the do, you're not supposed to tell me say no. You really agree. Where the thing fed they sweet you. So for your mind, you they call yourself wife. Which wife go they do that kind of thing? So I go there they look picky, you go the yours, you really believe say I will marry you. Like seriously? And the guy say, that's how you be. He say, yes, so that's how you be. In just the boy say, I take you like my own, like my maga, as in when maga go pay. I wanna be only marry you. rethink, think I'll marry you. When you they go, they use your body, your make cool, stay they go everywhere. Me will come marry you. Like seriously? And the girl say, hey, so that's how you be. He said that pains, you know, come fi bear am again. I begin they fight the boy. As she they fight the boy, now the like say Ogbas come the compound people they come here. So now they come try to settle them everything. So as they come settle them, the girl say come they think say, that's what this boy be. So this boy just allow they do everything ever since. Not so half love like this, never get for him. Now what do you be think? Say this guy for love you. I don't understand some girls, sha. You go marry, you carry your makeus as makeus stage rich for men. You go allow you make you dey carry. You know, he don't love you, na cause am. Any man will love his wife can never allow his wife carry makeus make he go the ozo. It's not done anywhere. It's not that possible for man go allow his wife, his own precious wife, may go the may you see reason when you not go fit marry you. You know, it's not done anywhere, my sister. You know go fit. You know they possible. You know they possible for them to marry you. For where don't for the happen. Say now you come tire. She come dey cry, come dey think for herself. Say now so this boy be. So this boy know say no go marry, and I begin to allow her. They do all those things. Now there I come open. And she come dey cry. He say now one day after in they cry, the boy sit there with her for his house. Now she come there as she they cry, you come they think, see, that's what this boy be. Now one day the boy come meet her. You see there all those things wey happen. I beg you don't do. Go call Oyibo, may you go collect money from her. Tell her say you need the 30,000 euro, make it give you. Because if you not collect that money, this has not contain me with you. So now you come tell and say you put something for mama, tell me you put jazz. I know they go meet Oyibo again. I know they collect anything. You say you don't want to collect anything. You mean now? Then the girl say yes, I mean now. I want to collect anything from Oyibo and again. You say because of what happen, you say you don't want to collect money for Oyibo and again. Okay, no problem. What it go happen? No problem. He said before you just know, the boy just send us in your see phone message or the enter. And I said, what be this message me look at? I say look for. I know what the girl see. I should tell they do all those naked things with Oyibo. When they show it make us, they show everything for Oyibo. Now be waiting this girl see. Now the girl shocked her lies. Now there you have come need. Say, so you miss ever since when they play with Oyibo, you set camera, the video, everything. You say yes. Now this day in the way for the day when you go say no, you don't go meet Oyibo again. Then you go bring the video come out. And the girl say, hey, that's how you be. When the girl see video. Meanwhile, the boy already says some go give his brother for Nigeria too. Say in case maybe if he bring the video come out, the girl call police for him. If he go prison, don't mean anything. After all, prison not be new for the end of it go before. So you not go fear. And the girl say, hey, that's how you be. So you mean say you they keep all those things ever since? Say yes, they keep them. The way the girl go misbehave, now making they keep them. Then the girl begin they cry. Say what you want to? And the girl say, so now this one you want to blackmail me? Say yes. Say until when the girl will go meet Oyibo. And the girl say no, they go. He say if you not go, I will publish everything. The girl say if you not even fear, will say if you want publish them. He say but the girl one way they play with Oyibo one day, the pikin can't show. The pikin can't wake up. So as soon as they open the body, they show Oyibo. And so that's why at this thing your pikin just run come. So as the pikin run come, me not gonna feel. She not gonna feel. Even though you not gonna continue again. So now you both gonna tell her say, pikin never sleep. Then she say no, say it be they sleep, but he just wake up. Then the both gonna say no, just cut him. Tomorrow we fit do another one. Then he say but the pikin show small. So if people see that kind of video, they feel say so see mother where they open him body for Oyibo for where pikin dey. Say na that one I she dey fear for his side. Say the boy say he must publish until she will go meet that Oyibo, or if she not go meet the Oyibo, he go tell the Oyibo say he not be brother. Say he dey sleep with him. Not be say he not na he get that pikin when he born. He say na wetin the boy say he want to na be that one. So my people, why I dey talk this story be say our girls Mona learn. Mona no dey believe all those guys wey they go to tell una say I love you, whereas na lie, fake love. You don't get any love for you. Any man wey dey allow a woman, they go dey hustle. He not love you, my dear, because if he love you, he not go allow you to do all those things. He not go allow you. See the way this our sister can't end up with this guy now. Now go to be this one. Many women they do this thing. They go to hustle. Make man love them. How can a man when you born for, you go they allow you to go to hustle? A man when he get hand, get leg, weak no hold for hand, you go say no, if you walk, you go tell you say me you go to hustle, they bring money, and you really they do one. You believe say that guy go marry you. He don't feel marry you. See, you see this our sister now. The boy say he go must make sure say he publish him. So if you publish another get people everywhere go there outside. Now see so my people, I beg. I use God to beg una. Mona not the alarm they deceive una again, saying love una, why there is no love. Mona not the alarm they deceive una again. Don't let man tell you say I love you, why there is not pretend the day. Pretend. I pretend the day. Some women just they just married to their enemy. They follow on this as this one now the girl enemy ever since the girl no. Now when they come bring a character now the girl shocked her lies. He shocked her lies. He sit down He fast he stand enough he stand. He look up, he look down. Enough he change anything again. So now because of that money where that guy they see, then the guy just the follower. Half love like this boy not get for him. Half you not get. So my people, I beg. If you did this kind of thing, what do you go do? Which advice will I get for this my sister now, my people? Which advice? More than now you start on my comment section, it already happen, it don't happen. What did she go do? She can't kill herself. It don't happen. So thank you everybody, my people. So now this one be the advice when I say make I give this our sister today. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news when they come out for this our platform here. So thank you. And if you see one more will talk your own story, you feel still call me. My number they there every time. You can still call me. We go still bring them out. Thank you everybody. From there you'll still learn one or two things. I beg. Mona share this video. Make it reach many people. And because many women see the way they do this kind of thing follow men. There are many yafu. Ways they do this kind of thing follow men. There are many my people. So I beg So Mona share them. Make it reach everybody. So anything what you think about this video, just leave your comments for down below. So people go say they don't know where they for the comment. Then they comment for if you just click the video when you watch them, go down. Pass all the videos where you see. Down below. Now there they comment. So you go comment and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you everybody. Take care. And where they subscribe now that red line, just press them. Let me say you don't subscribe. If you don't press it once, you don't subscribe. Then it will bring 3 bells come out. You press the one with the up. Then be the notification bell. So that if I put any video, you go to see, you go to get the notification. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.